Well, I did this race earlier on in the week and I did a 4:01.8 in race trim, and I said
14.
if I practice a bit I should be able to go quicker than that. So I've been practicing a bit. We're just coming up to the start. Let's see if I can go a little bit quicker. So pace car's off. So we're going to get going. Green light, here we go. See if we can go quicker then than a 4:01.8. That's the plan. We're at the back because I crashed again in my qualifying lap, which I seem to be doing a lot of. It's a bit frustrating. I have done a few races and done okay. 4:01.8 is where we want to get to below. I'd hope to go below 4 if we can. We'll see whether I'll get a chance, whether I'll get any clean laps. We'll see. I don't want to get any slowdowns. It's only like a 4-lap race, really. It's very short. In this first lap, it's easy to get that corner wrong. Get a slowdown, but anyway, we're going. Someone must have started in the pits because there was a gap in front of me. These two are hanging into each other, which is interesting. Not the best way to go down the straight. I think somebody here has a slowdown. By the looks of it.
On your left, you're on the right, 3 wide, left side.
So we've gone past a couple of people there. We need to slow down there to get through. Okay, got a couple of people. Someone else has a slowdown by the looks of it. Or they just had a very bad exit, don't know.
On your left. Clear.
So where do we go? He's going to try up the inside, I think. Got a lot of grip there. Anyway, we made it. Got this guy behind who was behind at the start as well, wasn't he? So I think he's very keen. I think. He's got a good run there, I think. So it's whether he can make it round the outside into this corner, I don't know.
Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
Yeah, he did. Made it through. Incident behind. Now this next big fast right-hander is very difficult. Getting the braking right, really important. So easy to try and do too much there and you're off. So I'm hoping I got enough room behind because I'm going to probably brake a bit earlier or ease off a bit earlier anyway. Looks like a few people have as well.
Right side. Keep to the left. Still there.
Okay, it's now a drag race. I don't think I'm going to win it, am I?
Stay on the left.
Don't know.
Keep to the left.
Oh, he hit me, didn't he? Couldn't take the corner. And here's an easy place to get a slowdown, which I avoided. Okay, well this won't be a 4:01 because obviously it's the first lap.
14.29.
So a bit slow. Guy behind seems pretty keen. I find I slide around there a lot. Really struggle to get the power down. Managed it that time. He's got what looks like a massive slowdown because he's just disappeared. think if you can avoid slowdowns, you do quite well. Because everyone seems to be getting them. Okay, we're okay. Us too.
You left.
So where are we? 12th. That's not too bad. Started at the back. We're still in sight of a few of them, aren't we? Got this guy in the pink car ahead. It's pretty quick, I think. 2 ahead are battling, so that's interesting. Take our time through there, get a good exit. Yeah, big gap behind now. That's the problem with these slowdowns, it really does ruin your race. It's alright in the MX-5, so you could get back in the tow, but with these, unless we start battling. He's slow in the mid-corner there.
Car right.
So you've got to slow down.
Clear on the right.
He's had to slow right down, hasn't he? Oh dear. It's a shame for him, good for us. Did slow us down though. So we can take our normal line into here now.
There's an incident ahead.
Yeah, that was better. We've got a slipstream and he hasn't, so that should help. I say we've got a slipstream, we're just losing the slipstream, aren't we? We'll be quicker into this next last corner, I think. And take a bit more of a risk this time. And he's gone off. Trying to get too much back.
Line has gone off.
He's trying to take too much in one corner, wasn't he?
Holy.
Okay, so we're clear from behind, aren't we? I think 3.4 seconds back.
Bunch of maniacs here.
Oh dear. And hopefully we'll be better through this section because we were tagged as we went through here. So he couldn't take this corner. And it slowed us right down. Yeah, that's better. He's going to get a slow down, I think.
Car right.
So we're going to go past him.
Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
Well, I'm assuming he's going to get a slow down. I don't know if he did, but... Okay, what's this lap time then? 4. So we're a second and a bit quicker than we were at the start of the week, so that's good. Not below the 4s though. I'd like to get below the 4s. I mean, Dave Cam does 3:56s, doesn't he? So I know I'm not as quick as him, but I'd like to get a little bit closer. Still want to slow down, do we? Tyres are getting better. A bit of a gap to run into now, so maybe. Hopefully take the snow! Oh no, how did that
One
happen?
of your wheels is out of alignment. You'll have less grip out.
Jesus, I haven't gone off there all week. Well, it's saying I can keep going. So I'm going to keep going. I've only got a 2X. The car's still drivable. I haven't been off there all week. What's going on? Bloody hell. Okay, well, let's see what car I've got under me on the brakes. Not too bad. So did I lose a place there? I think I did, didn't I? I've still got a big gap behind. Can I Oh, gosh. It's not as bad as I thought. Wheels out of alignment, but I'm still driving. I'm still going pretty quick on a straight. Guy behind's not closing, sort of hand over fist. So maybe I'm okay.
5 minutes to go.
2.4 behind, isn't he? 2.1 now, so he took a bit out of me there. I need a slipstream really to help.
Really fucking speed.
My goodness. I don't know how that happened. Well, I know how it happened. It was me driving badly, but I don't know why suddenly
Station, man.
I'm having a problem there. And a problem there as well. 1.9 behind now, so 1.8. So I'm losing time here. I don't want to lose too many spots. Nice to get out of this race with no drop in I rating or safety rating. I think that's the target for now. I think that's the best I can hope for. Got through there okay, more or less. Guy behind's had a bad exit. It's not braking as well as it was, I think. That's the problem at the moment. We're not really catching this guy ahead, are we? Oh, that's so annoying, that is. There's a few cars ahead. If only we could just close up a bit. Nice. After he's off there, or you hit the wall before you know what's going on. And down to third just to tighten it up. And then into fourth for this bit. But you don't want to go too wide because you get a slowdown. Which hopefully I didn't get. Right, we're still going.
White flag. Stay smooth.
Okay, I've got one lap to get through. I've got 1.4 seconds. Is that going to be enough? Maybe.
3.183.
Okay. It's going to be a tough lap, I think. Just got to be careful. I'm going okay in this bit. Actually up on my fastest lap, so let's take a better line through here if we can then. Yeah, I'm so annoyed at that. Okay, we've got through there with no slowdown, that's important. Now it's a lot of flat out now. He's closing though, isn't he? He's definitely closing. Well, second actually, no, so he's dropping back. Oh, he's got a slowdown. Hey! Fantastic. Slowdowns have saved me. Disaster averted. I think I should be alright now to the end. So I definitely got quicker, and I think I did have some 59s when I was practicing, so I can get there, but I was hoping to sort of get maybe a couple of seconds off my lap time from the beginning of the week, but it's not going to happen, is it? Yeah, doesn't like turning. He is closing again though, isn't he? 1.5 seconds. I think I've got enough though. I think I've got enough. Just need to be sensible and not try and do too much. This guy got to slow down as well, he has, hasn't he? At least I'll get his slipstream now because he'll be speeding up again, I think. So that'll help me. So at the moment, I'm on for my fastest lap with damage. So I think that sort of shows I have come on during the week. No question. Although, that was a big mistake. And that's going to really cost me. And another big mistake. Huge wheel spin. So can I... get out. I've lost a whole second just there. 2 mistakes. I think I may have enough. I mean, he's not closing in. This is where he would go. I think if he was going to go, and he's not. Can I make a good effort around here? I think I can. Don't get a slow down. Yeah, I think I'm okay. He's got a slow down. He'll get a slow down there. So it doesn't matter if he overtakes because he'll have to slow down.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 58.497.
Okay, there we go. He was trying for a Hail Mary there, wasn't he, I think?
Go left.
But anyway, we made it. So let's just have a look at all those incidents and then look at the results. So then, here's the start. Let's have a look at all those incidents then, see where they were. So what have we got here then? Yeah, oh gosh. Yeah, you don't want to do that. That's completely offline. And that's getting in everyone else's way, isn't it? Is this what caused some problems at the start? Yeah, this guy's all over the place, isn't he? He'll get a slowdown for that as well. Okay, what have we got then? This is the 2 that were sort of hanging doors a little bit. Not too much. We were just behind them, weren't we? And what happens? They're still together. Oh yeah, a bit of a concertina effect there, wasn't it? That's what caused that problem. And what have we got? Oh, yeah, I mean, he's almost overtaken off track there, isn't he? And the other guy's done the up and under, but then he's in his way, so... Okay. Are they trying it again? Oh, that's nasty, isn't it? He had a bollard under his thing as well. Oh, that was us, we were lucky. So he's going to crash there, isn't he? He's got no rear wing. Yeah, he's having a good race, that guy. What we got here then? Oh, is that what I did? Did I do something similar to that? Yeah, that wasn't me. I thought that was me. Here's me. So what am I then? Just on the... I mean... Blimey. That wasn't much, was it? Just sort of too much on the curb, maybe on the white line? Okay. I mean, he's completely off the track and... Oh dear. That was a bit brutal. What's happening here then? Too much on the exit? Oh, looks like he clipped the wall, but what's this guy doing? He's going to hit the wall, isn't he? On the outside, yeah. It's a typical place to do it. And that was it. Wow. Okay, let's have a look at the results then. So results then. So that was 7th out of 21st split, so 3rd of the way down. Oh, he managed to get some safety rating, tiny loss of I rating. So I guess I got out of that one. That was disaster averted, wasn't it? I think slow down saved me there. And yeah, 58.4, and I did a 40.5, and earlier in the week I did a 41.8. So that's 1.3 seconds quicker, and I think I could have gone even quicker, maybe even into the 49s, into the 59, sorry. So I've progressed over the week. That's what I wanted to see. So I've definitely done that. Not as much as I'd like, not as quick as the really fast guys, but well, it gives me something to aim for next time, doesn't it? Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.